March has definitely been an up and down month for crypto. We've seen a lot of fear and uncertainty in regards to the banking industry, inflation, interest rates. Right now, there's just a lot of uncertainty floating around the crypto space. And with that, the price of Bitcoin has reacted as such. We've seen pullbacks, we've seen gains, and while it has regained a lot of what it lost to start the month, some assets that would normally be correlated haven't been moving along with Bitcoin. What I'm talking about is SHIB Inu. Now, the reason why that this is happening could be attributed to several things, but mostly it has to do with bankrupt crypto lender Voyager. Now, if you're not familiar with Voyager, they actually went bankrupt back in the summer of 2022, and there was a lot of uncertainty about what they were going to be doing. Binance actually placed a bid to acquire Voyager's assets, but it has currently been held up in litigation. So now the question lies, what is Voyager's plan? Well, during this time, they've taken most of the month of February and part of March to liquidate a lot of the assets that they hold. Now, some of their largest holdings are Ethereum and, you guessed it, SHIB Inu. During the month of March, during the month of February, Voyager actually liquidated 2.24 trillion SHIB, which equated to about $28 million, which has contributed to the decline in price of SHIB Inu during this time. Now, March started out kind of slow. Nobody really knew what was going on. Voyager wasn't taking advantage of prices during this time because the prices were dropping. However, Voyager took advantage of the recent time to actually liquidate a large portion of their SHIB that they still currently hold. In fact, they sent 270 billion SHIB to exchanges during this time, which equates to about $3 million, and liquidated those assets along with Ethereum, VGX, amongst others as well. Now, at this point, Voyager still does hold a large portion of SHIB Inu. In fact, it's currently over 3 trillion SHIB, so not a small amount. It actually equates to about $40 trillion $40 million at this time. Now, whether they'll continue to follow the path they've been on, nobody knows. Right now, nobody knows whether Binance will be able to acquire the assets that Voyager still currently holds, whether the selling will stop. But during this time, we know that Voyager is slowly liquidating what they have. The great thing is that they're not just wrecking the market, wrecking the charts or anything like that, but it is definitely something to pay attention to and watch. But as always, we just want to keep you updated and informed on everything going on in crypto. We appreciate you always here on the ClearCryptos channel. Definitely make sure you show your support below. Hit that subscribe button, hit that bell, stay updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. Hope you guys have a great day, and we hope to catch you in the next one. Take care.